In this video, we're going to talk about how to write the equation of the circle with radius square root of 10 and center -1, -4. So we're given two pieces of information. We're given the radius and the center of the circle. And what we're going to do is we're going to use what's written in blue on the right-hand side of your screen to figure out what the equation of this circle is in standard form. Now, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, what you see in blue, is the standard form of a circle. And what you can do is if you have the center, hk, you can plug the h and the k, in other words the x value and the y value for the center, into that equation, and you can plug the value of the radius, that's going to be equal to r, in the place of r, and simplify, and that's going to give you your answer. So we can go ahead and label these values right here, h and k, because that's the x and y value respectively of the center of the circle. And we can go ahead and label the square root of 10 as r, because that is going to be the length of the radius. So now let's go ahead and just write out this equation, something you would need to memorize. It probably would not be provided for you on a question on a test like this. And we're going to say x minus our value of h, which is -1. That's going to be squared, plus y minus our value of k, which we already marked as -4. Again, that's going to be squared, and that's going to equal r squared. So that's going to equal the square root of 10 squared. Now that's the right answer, it's just not in simplest form. So let's go ahead and simplify wherever we can. The first thing we can do is x minus a -1, that's going to turn into x plus 1, the two negatives cancel. So x plus 1 squared, plus the same thing with the y, the two negatives cancel to make that y plus 4 squared. And then, of course, the square root of 10 squared is just going to give us 10. And right there's our answer. That is the equation of the circle with the center -1, -4 and radius square root of 10 in standard form.